Histogram. The histogram is used for variables whose values are numeric and measured on an interval scale. It is generally used when dealing with large data sets. A histogram can be helpful for detecting the unusual observations. Let's begin with histogram. This is histogram for my data, this one. I have already prepared the data for you. I will make a little bit different here, okay, and more visible. These are my engineers and these are their counts, and it is showing the histogram of these ones, under which category they are falling, under which range they are falling. Here I used some formula here, mini, max and average, that's what it is there. Based on this one I designed myself my data. So we will start creating now again from the new one. Just go select your data. I selected my data, insert, and here is a histogram. You can see it here. It is created automatically, my data. Here automatically it is given a range as well. If I will double click on this one, here on this one, it will bring me here on the x-axis and track marks and numbers. I can make them custom as well. See, it is as of now it is showing maximum 70. It's okay with me. And here this range is given and it is automatic as of now. But if I want, I can change it by myself. I can make it bold, italic, bold, and a little bit bigger, and it gives me the range. And I will highlight my data labels as well, that how many are falling in 5 to between 45, how many people are falling, how many cases are falling actually. These are 61. Okay, now I want to make a change in here. My minimum value, if you can see it here, is 5, average is 64 and max is 184. I will take my chart up. Where you can see here, I am going to change here this value. Okay, format x-axis. Just right click on the value and go to format x-axis. I want to change my bin. It is here the difference of bin is 40. I want to change it to 20 and see it change the ranges as well and the numbers. Here we can see it very clearly that these numbers where we have the differences of the numbers and the data is falling under. Again we will go to format x-axis and number of bins here as of now 9. If I want to create 10, I can just click on the 10 and it change the range as well. And if I want to see it here, the flow of the information, I just want to keep it overflow 200 and underflow 0. Okay, so now you can see it here as well. It's different. Underflow I can change it up to 5, up to 10, even though you can see it less than 10 cases, how many? 27. And in between this range 10 to 29 bins are there. So I'm going to change little bit bin number increasing. You can see it here, the bin number as I increase the flow of the information. This way you can use techniques to change your data view. If I will make it automatic, it is giving me this view, and along with this one, if I want to make the change of the color, any one of them, for example, I want to change this color, just go and just right click and fill which color you want. I like this color, and for this one I want to make something different color, this. See, now you can see the colors are changing as well. It's up to my requirement that what I'm looking in. You can change the fillings as well here, and shadow. All these properties are available with you. So you need to understand this one I created by myself to manage my data, that what is the minimum value, what is the maximum value, and where it can fall. So if I'm going to click here, you can see here it's 200. I have designed it, and it is showing me the overflow and inflow as well, and less than value, greater than value, in between 10 to 15, how many cases are falling. So from here, my selection of data, I can change as per my requirement, whatever I'm looking for. See here, I'm going to change my bin up to 50, and it is now showing me as per my 50 bins requirement, that 10 to 50, in between it is 10 to 60, it will fall, how many cases, and if I want I can reduce it to, and it will increase my data as well. This is for histogram, and here you can change the title of your data, histogram. I will make it bold, and I will go here and I will make it a little bit bigger. So this is histogram. Thank you very much.